Kapag hindi mo talaga makuha ang mga ini-expect natin na result, we sometimes get to the point that we ended up self-sabotaging ourselves. Like for me, sometimes I procrastinate, sometimes napapa-binge eating ako, or kahit anong coping mechanism pa man yan, para lang mabigyan ng temporary relief ng disappointment mo. Sometimes nasusolusyon na natin or naiiwasan yung mga ganitong bagay, but sometimes hindi talaga. And because of that, it's not really necessary to give up just because of this bad result. Kasi alam naman natin sa sarili natin at binibigay talaga natin yung best natin. Kaya dapat we have this mindset na kahit anong situation, kaya nating tignan in a different perspective. Kasi sometimes, di ba, we ask ourselves if kulang pa ba yung ginagawa natin. Kaya talaga dapat we have this mindset na if kulang, then galingan pa natin. What I mean is, no matter what the result is, we should always look for improvements. Ako si Jess, and eto yung day 8 natin as a young man chasing bro. And ang goal ko pala is to be better and mahit ang 100k pesos within 60 days. Kaya guys, kung gusto nyo ako samahan sa journey na to, see you on our next video.